After po ma-encode lahat ng details, it will go to the examination module. The task of the examiner is to check if kompleto ba yung signatures ng parties, kasi under section 112 of Presidential Decree 1529, all the pages must be signed by the parties and at least 2 witnesses and should be acknowledged before a notary public. So, check niya kung complete ba yung signatures, if nagmamash ba yung pangalan ng tao na sa title, in application, it will be forwarded sa approval stage. So, ito po yung stage namin ako or si Attorney Felix po. We check po if all the requirements under law are complied with. Parang kunwari, sasabihin natin, yung napasok pala na title, 211, dito lang ako sa bagay meron yung record to 11 titles. And we have to check na it was validated by the PP 1271 committee. Kung wala po yung validation na yun, hindi po namin pwede i-construct yung property na yun because it is considered invalid under the law unless na ma-validate po yung title.